Hello student, we will continue chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variables. Here we do algebraical method in which discuss substitution method. What is substitution method? In substitution method, we substituted the value of one variable by expressing it in the term of other variable to solve the pair of linear equations in two variables. See its example, sum number 1, part first of exercise 1.3. Equation 1, equation 2. From equation 1, here I am going to express x in term of y. It becomes x equals to 14 minus y. Now put the value of x in equation number 2. Put x in equation 2. Equation 2 is x is 14 minus y. Putting minus y same equals to 4. Solving variable term minus y. It is minus 2y equals to 4 minus 14 comes to right hand side, becomes of minus, cancel minus from minus, then y is 10 by 2 makes 5. Y is 5. Now put this y in 14 minus y. X equals to 14 minus 5. Then x is 9. Substitution method. You have to express any of one variable, either x or y, in the term of another variable to solve the particular solution, particular condition you can say. From the first equation we have find x, you can find also y. आप y भी find कर सकते हैं. From any of two equation you can find any of one variable in the term of another variable. Answer: x equals to 9, y equals to 5. At last of every question you have to write the answer. Part second. S minus t equals to 3, equation number 1. S by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6, equation number 2nd. From first, from equation number 1. Here s is equals to 3 plus t. आपने s को t की टर्म में एक्सप्रेस किया. Now put this s in equation number 2. Put s in equation number 2. In place of s you will put 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6 by 1. Take LCM. Divide from denominator. Which quotient come? Multiply it by numerator. पहले आपने डिवाइड करना है. जो क्वेश्चंट आ जाता है उसको आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर से 3 2 ज़ा 2 इंटू 3 प्लस टी 2 3 ज़ा 3 1 ज़ा 3 टी डिवाइड किया 6 मल्टीप्लाई 36 6 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. नाउ सॉल्विंग simple and easy solving. Adding 5t 6 goes to right hand side. 5t is equals to 30. Then t is 6. Put this t in s. Then s is 3 plus 6 makes 9. Your answer S9 T6 required answer. Now the next is part third. 3x minus y equals to 3. 9x minus 3y equals to 9. Here this number one equation. Next is equation number 2. Minus y left hand side, 3x goes to right hand side. Now shift the minus, बाहर माइनस है अंदर वाले साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. -3 प्लस 3x, it will be 3x minus 3. Now put this y in equation number 2. Put y in equation second. 9x minus 3y equals to 9. Here y is 3x minus 3 equals to 9. Now solving. 3 3 is a 9x. Minus minus plus 3 3 is a 9 equals to 9. Plus 9x minus 9x. Both are opposite in sign. It comes 9 equals to 9. If constant equals to constant, then given equation having infinitely many solution. Right here, if constant equals to constant, then equation having infinite solution. Always do the question carefully, students. Now the part fourth. 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3. Equation number 1. 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. Equation number 2. Now from first, we will express x in term of y. 1.3 goes to right hand side. X 0.2 with x in multiplication. When we change its side, it goes in denominator. Put x in equation second. 0.4 into x. X is 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2 plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. Cancel. 2 1 जा 2 2. Multiply 2.6 0.6y, 0.5y equals to 2.3. Minus plus minus, sign which is greater. Here 0.6 is greater than 0.5. That's why we will use here sign of minus. After minus, 0.1y equals to 2.3. आप माइनस इस तरह से कर सकते हैं. 6 minus 5, 1.0. See 0.1. 0.1 to the left hand side. 2.6 comes to right hand side. Solving, minus किया, 0.3 cancel. Y is 0.3 by 0.1 cancel. Y is 3. Now put y equals to 3 in x. Put y in x. Here x is 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. 3 3s are 9 by 0.2. Cancel. 2 2s are, here x is equals to 2. At last you have to write your answer. Answer is x equals to 2, y equals to 3 is required answer. Now it comes to part 5th. Root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. Second equation. Root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Equation number second. Here constant term is not given. From first, I am going to express this equation in the term of y. But student, listen carefully. You are free. You can express any of variable in the term of another variable. आप किसी भी वेरिएबल को किसी भी वेरिएबल की टर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. और जिस इक्वेशन से आप एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल इन अनदर इक्वेशन. जैसे कि आपने x यहाँ से लिया, आपने पुट सेकंड में करना है. अगर आप x सेकंड से लेते हैं तो आपने x y इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में पुट करना है. फ्रॉम 1, रूट 2x इक्वल्स टू माइनस रूट 3y. Here x is equals to minus root 3 by root 2y. Put this x in equation number second. In place of x, we will write this one. Multiply root 3 minus root 9 by root 2 y minus root 8y equals to 0. Root 9 3. Take LCM. When it goes to right hand side, then it becomes 0, because 0 multiply root 2, 0. Minus 7y equals to 0. Then y is 0. Put this 0 in x. Put y equals to 0 in x. we have also 0. So our answer is x equals to 0, y is equals to 0. Important question. Why important? Because here constant is not given. If constant is not given, then value of the variable always x0, y0. It can be in the MCQs. हो सकता है MCQs में एक given statement √2x plus √3y equals to 0, √3x minus √8y equals to 0. What will be its solution? Tricky question. Now the next is part 6. Here the statement is in fraction. Take its LCM. Divide 3. 3 3s are 9x. 3 2s are 2 5s are 10. Minus 12. Second, LCM is 6. 3 2s are 2x. 2 3s are 3y. That is 30. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. Now from equation number 1. (9x) equals to minus 12 plus 10y. X equals to minus 12 plus 10y by 9. Put this x in equation number 2. Putting 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Here x is solving minus 24 plus 20y by 9. It will same. If you want to solve the fractional part, always you have to take LCM. Take LCM. Divide किया 1. 1 से multiply, it will same. Divide किया 9. 9 3s are 20. 7. That makes 170. 9 cancel because LCM is taken to left hand side and right hand side. Like terms, 20 plus 27 makes 40. 7y. राइट हैंड साइड में आपके 117 है. माइनस का 24 कहाँ चला जाएगा? राइट हैंड साइड में प्लस का हो गया. एडिंग 141. y is equals to 141 by 40. 7 makes 3. y equals to 3. Now put y in equation in x. Put कीजिए. In place of y you have to put 3. 3 10 30 by 9. 18 by 9 makes 2. Hence answer is x equals to 2, y is equals to 3. That is your required answer. Thank you student. Have a nice day.